Hi guys, welcome back to Bill's Cooking Channel. Last night was my birthday and I made this really great homemade spaghetti sauce and put shrimp and crab meat in it. Anyway, long story short, I had some leftover crab meat, so I threw together some stuff. And stuff is the key word because I made stuffed mushrooms. So I got some leftover and I want to show you because this is something really kind of fun and easy. Like, I mean, anyone can do this. So you go to wherever you can get them, and you need kind of the super duper size mushrooms, and you're going to pull the stems out and chop them up real small, and then you just take a knife, a spoon, depending on how big they are, and you want to scrape all the stuff out of here to make there as much room to stuff as possible. That's all there is to it. So I got 5 leftover mushrooms here because you always have to buy enough to make sure you got the best. And if you have any that aren't so great, you just slice them up, and I would have put them in the spaghetti sauce yesterday. Alright, so let's get going. I have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I need a few shakes of ground black pepper. I'm going to, I sliced up some green onion. I've got in here my flavoring. I got a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, oregano, and a little bit, probably 1/8 of a teaspoon of Old Bay. Just because I'm going to put crab meat in here. Alright. Then I got my mushroom stems that I've chopped up. And I got a 1/4 cup of fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, so the whole idea is I want to do the crab meat last because I want to keep it still together. I want to mix all this up, and you have to kind of play it by ear. I just keep my mayonnaise handy because you can always add, you can't take away, right? So I put less than I probably need, and we're going to might change that just a little bit here. So far, we look okay, but when I put the crab meat in, we might come up a little short. Let's work this all around. And why do we put this chopped up stem in there? Because mushrooms are like nature's sponge. It's going to take all the liquid out of here and hold it all together. Alright, so I've got 4 ounces of crab meat because I want plenty of crab meat. Don't want a whole bunch of other stuff in here. And let's just do this little folding. And it actually worked out perfect. And once you make something a dozen or so times, you kind of know. So that's why I just practice. If you make something the first time and you're like, I'm not completely satisfied, well, think, what was wrong with it? What could I do differently? And make it again. That's how you do it. Don't ever go by the first time you make something. Alright. So I got everything all mixed together real nice. Some room here. I think I'll switch to a spoon. Go ahead and kind of start off easy. just take the back of the spoon and kind of press it all in there. These are, you know, kind of fragile, so be gentle. Don't those look cute? On these bigger ones, I'm going to mound them up a little. I'm going to go back through and make sure we got enough on everything, you know. And everybody gets its fair. I can tell that one's mine right there, because that sucker's just loaded. Right. Might actually not be able to get all this in here. Look. Don't those look absolutely lovely? So, what we gotta do, make some room here. And before I put these in my pan, oven at 350, bake for 15 minutes, that's all it's gonna take. Before I do that, I've got some smoked paprika. I know you've probably heard me use this before. I think it just adds a nice little smoky flavor to it. So let's just give it a pretty color on top. Clumpy. Don't those look great? Alright, so I'm going to throw these in the oven. Like I said, we're talking about 350, 15 minutes. How simple can it be? This is something fun, easy. Everyone will think you're just like this great cook because you can throw something like this together, and it tastes, you know, it tastes good. It's easy, fun to eat. And so what I want you to do is, obviously I want you to subscribe to my channel, get all your friends to subscribe, and I want you to comment because you're going to try these, and of course ring the notification bell so you get all these great wonderful videos that I'm doing. Other than that, I'm going to throw these in the oven and eat them. So I'll see you next time. Have a good day.